Hi, this is Steve Gordon with Email Marketing University. In this video, we're going to look at how to use cheap email marketing to get repeat sales. Now, there are really only three ways to grow your business. Number one is to get more customers. Number two is to sell more stuff to your customers at each transaction. And number three is to sell more frequently to your customers. Most businesses put all of their focus on getting more customers. This is the hardest and most expensive way to grow your business. In this video, we're going to focus on selling more frequently to your existing customers using cheap email marketing. The first step is to ask every single customer or client for their email address and get them to opt in or give you permission to send them email. Now, armed with email addresses for your customers, you can create a system to automatically follow up in a way that will stimulate sales. Let's look at an example. Let's use an accountant as an example. Accountants do most of their business for the year from February 1st to April 15th, which is tax time in the U.S. Fully 95% of the clients they serve all year are served during this 2.5-month stretch. They make just one sale a year, tax preparation, to 95% of their customers. So now it's April 16th and the phone's not ringing, and our accountant is lonely. So to stimulate more business, he starts publishing a bi-weekly email bulletin to his customers. He has two categories of clients, consumers and business owners. He segments his list into these two groups and he sends different content to each list. For his business owners, he gives them updates and changes to the tax laws as they happen throughout the year. He also sends them articles he writes on how to build and protect wealth for the business owner. In each email, he's offering them a special wealth protection analysis for business owners for $300. For his consumer list, he focuses on what he knows to be of concern for the consumers, and that's saving for life's big events, college and retirement. And he also knows that building wealth to pass it on to the next generation is an aspirational goal for many clients, so he wants to focus on that too. Again, he sends them articles on how to save for those big events while paying the least amount of taxes. And he also writes articles on how to do estate planning in a tax-efficient manner. And again, he sends them articles on how to save for the big events while paying the least amount of taxes. He also writes articles on how to do estate planning in a tax-efficient manner. And he offers a tax-saving analysis for his consumer clients for $300. So now let's look at how this might impact his bottom line. If his average sale is $300 and he has 1,000 tax return customers, that's $300 times 1,000 clients is $300,000 for the year from his tax business. Now, if his email marketing effort gets just a 10% response throughout the entire year, not from one email, but from all of the 26 emails he's going to send out throughout the year, he gets just 100 people responding to one of his $300 analysis sessions, then he adds $300 times 100 clients, that's $30,000 additional for the year, or a 10% growth in sales. Now, because he used inexpensive email marketing, which probably cost him less than $200 for the whole year to create those sales, virtually all of the increase goes to the bottom line. And that's just with one additional sale a year to 10% of his customers. You can probably spur repeat sales from 20%